Laica Stream White is a compact and stylish water filter that promises to deliver clean and healthy water, free from impurities and chlorine taste. This product is perfect for those who want to enjoy the benefits of purified water without the need to buy bottled water or install a bulky filtration system. One of the first things that caught my attention about the Laica Stream White is its modern and minimalist design. The filter pitcher is made of high-quality plastic with a glossy finish that gives it a sleek and elegant look. The white color is perfect for any kitchen decor, and the compact size makes it easy to store in the refrigerator or on the countertop. The Laica Stream White has a capacity of 2.3 liters, which is enough to fill 6 to 8 glasses of water. The filter cartridge has a lifespan of approximately 4 weeks, or 150 liters of water, depending on the quality of the tap water. This means that you will have to replace the filter every month, which is a reasonable time frame for a product of this type. The filter cartridge uses a combination of activated carbon and ion exchange resin to remove impurities from the water, such as chlorine, sediment, heavy metals, and organic compounds. The activated carbon acts as a natural adsorbent that traps impurities, while the ion exchange resin replaces harmful ions with beneficial ones, such as calcium and magnesium. I was impressed with the taste of the water that came out of the Laica Stream White. The filter did an excellent job of removing the chlorine taste and odor, which is often present in tap water. The water tasted crisp, clean, and refreshing, with no aftertaste. I also noticed that the water was slightly alkaline, which is a sign that the filter was removing harmful acids from the water. Another great feature of the Laica Stream White is the easy fill lid. The lid opens with a simple push of a button, allowing you to refill the pitcher without having to remove the entire lid. This feature is especially useful if you have limited space in your kitchen or if you have a hard time removing the lid due to arthritis or other hand conditions. The Laica Stream White also has a built-in electronic indicator that lets you know when it's time to replace the filter cartridge. The indicator is located on the lid and changes color from green to red as the filter nears the end of its lifespan. This feature is handy for those who forget when to replace the filter or for those who want to ensure that they are always drinking clean water. One thing to note about the Laica Stream White is that it's not suitable for filtering well water or water that has a high level of bacteria or viruses. The filter cartridge is designed to remove impurities from tap water, but it's not a substitute for a UV or reverse osmosis system. If you have well water or suspect that your tap water is contaminated, it's best to have it tested by a professional and take the appropriate measures. Overall, I highly recommend the Laica Stream White for anyone who wants to enjoy clean and healthy water at home. The filter pitcher is stylish, easy to use, and effective at removing impurities from tap water. It's also affordable and convenient, making it a great alternative to buying bottled water or installing a bulky filtration system. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient water filter, the Laica Stream White is an excellent choice. Please leave a like if you liked the video.